This is the Pixel 4a. We picked this up straight from store.google.com, so this came shipped directly from Google. So today we're going to unbox and show you exactly how it comes from Google, unbox the phone, and the case that comes directly from Google. So as I mentioned, this is from the Google store. In the box, they give you an advertisement for Google Fi. I picked up a Google branded case, so a case directly from Google for the Pixel 4a and the Google Pixel 4a itself. But now for the juicy stuff, the Google Pixel 4a and its case. It is a polycarbonate phone, as you may have seen from other YouTubers out there. It is a black plastic with a mint green power button, but for a lot of folks out there, including myself, we'll be rocking it with a case. So let's open it up and check out how it is. So we've got our Google Pixel 4a and the 4a case. First, let's open up the case. It does have a pull tab right here. Open this up. Very nice material, as you can see. In the case, it's got the mint green lining, and it is the fabric material on the outside of the case. Your hole for your fingerprint sensor is right there. Team Pixel on the inside. Nothing else in there. Nothing else in here. That's the case that we're going to slap on in just a minute. Now for the Pixel 4a. Shout out to Made by Google. Let's open this up. Beautiful unboxing experience. And the phone itself. One piece of plastic. Peel that off. Here's that plastic itself. A lot of other folks out there say that it feels cheap. I feel that it's fine for $349. Buttons themselves, very, very clicky. You can hear for yourself, they're very clicky buttons. And it does have that hole punch right there. In the box, standard material. You're gonna have your reading information, 18-watt fast charger, 18-watt fast charger, USB-C to USB-C, and your dongle for switching your information. While it boots up, let's throw on the case. Very beautiful. Easy, seamless, very nice. Feels perfect in the hand. Not too heavy, and a really great size and a 5.8-inch screen right there. Very, very nice. If you're looking for a case, this one is going to be linked in the description below. It is a Made by Google case, so it's down there. You can check that out. We are all set up. We got the system set up. Fingerprint sensor in the back works amazing. And as a lot of you may have heard online that this has a 730G chip inside, the phone is super fast, super snappy. It feels all around great. I want to do a real quick test on the sound so that you can hear how loud the phone gets, which is quite impressive. Very, very loud. I even want to do a test of the headphone jack. We got these awesome Skullcandy headphones. Want to plug these in right here. Put these on real quick. And as you would imagine, happy birthday sounds fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. So headphone jack gets an A+ from us. And what I wanted to do is check out an additional app download. I wanted to download on this 730G processor additional apps. I want to max this thing out as many apps as we can get stuff into this thing. So let's start downloading apps. We downloaded 171 apps on this phone. So on our end of things, we want to max this thing out to see if this actual processor can handle everything that we throw at it. So I'm opening up as many of these 171 apps that we downloaded, which it did download all of them just fine. And as you can see, we are scrolling through. It's still fast, it's still snappy. It handles all 171 apps. I'm sure you could throw a lot more apps at it and it will work just as good for all the other apps that you'll post. Throw on some Twitter. Updating, scrolling, everything is just fine. So on a day-to-day standpoint, it looks like it's going to work completely fine. And lastly, what I want to do is max out the camera on video record. So we'll go in here, pull down the settings, we'll do 4K, and we'll start recording at 4K with all of these apps that are still running. It still seems super smooth, which is perfect. That's exactly what we want. We'll hit the camera and we'll get a real great shot of the plant. Awesome. So this was our unboxing of the Google Pixel 4a. What did you think? Put your comments below. Give us a thumbs up. We'll see you next time. Bye, guys.